Welcome to Kells, County Meath on a Saturday morning. So we're going to try cross the road here now without dying, as usual. And there's a little map here. So this is just basically the start of the village, town, probably. And then here's all the things close by. Again, this is the map that I showed in a recent video as well. But so one of my friends requested I do a video. There's a round tower, Lloyd's Tower, I think it is called. So I said it's close enough to Kells, so I may as well do a video in Kells because I wanted to do a video in Kells. So get the counter going for how many times I say Kells. It's a nice, quaint little town. It's really busy actually. You know. Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. Seems to be buzzing. The barbers is open. As you can see, there's lots of traffic going around. Again, I've got my mask on. Now I'm shooting this in January, and it's going to be uploaded for March, where I'm hopefully nice and warm in Thailand. Right. So my mask is on because PCR test for Thailand. So, dry cut barbers. What do we have here? The Emporium. It's been closed. Bank. They got money. I like money. Doesn't buy happiness. But there's a lot of things that make you happy. So. Nice decor. It's usually a good sign as well when you see pots out on the road, on the main road like this, in front of the house. I don't know about you, but I've often had a few nights on the beer and done some stupid things. Robbed a pot. So. Dimpness hair salon. So we're coming into the main city. As you can see, there's a church there. Looks like a big one. We started at a church, but I haven't seen a pub yet. Very strange. Now Google Maps said that the city was back to the left there. I'm just going to go right here for a second. See if there's anything here. It seems to be turning into houses though. Sorry about me breathing. It's because I'm wearing a mask and I think it's talking and walking that does it. Like I do me 6 kilometers in the morning and I'm grand when I get home. You know? I think there's a knack to talking and walking. Right, let's risk it. It's only a bus. Remembrance shop. Castle Glenagain. I probably mispronounced that. But feel free to slate me in the comments. So when you tour Ireland, like when you come to Ireland, do you like these little villages or do you want to be in the capital? Let me know below. It's like I do like these quaint little town villages, you know. Maybe it's because I come from like, you know, the big smoke, as they say. That come down here and go, oh yeah, traffic here is awesome. But if you lived here, it's probably like, you know, rush hour traffic just there. Oh God, the rush hour traffic in town was terrible. Had to stop in a pub for an hour. IT repair place, home luxuries. The premieres. Again, I'm sorry I'm doing these things early. It's mainly because I'm trying to avoid the human element from the PCR test. When I get back, I'll start doing more things that involve more people. Like town during the day, when there's crowd and stuff like that. So please bear with me, people. you know. I have big plans for this channel, and I want you to join me on the journey. So again, these are still 5-minute videos. I think they're going down well, because like they're just quick snippets, you know, and then they're parts of a larger story. So if you want to watch the second part and all that, you can go on to them.